Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK49 prediction for Wednesday 8 January 2025. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 10, number 12, number 14, number 25. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 1, number 2, number 10, number 12, number 25. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 7, number 11, number 38, number 39, number 43, number 44. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 7, number 11, number 38, number 39, number 43, number 44. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 28 and number 34. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 28 and number 34. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today time prediction for Wednesday 8 January 2025. Today time single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 10, number 18, number 19, number 34, number 35. Today time single prediction number repeat number 4, number 10, number 18, number 19, number 34, number 35. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 40, number 44, number 45, number 46, number 48, number 49. Today time second prediction number repeat number 40, number 44, number 45, number 46, number 48, number 49. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 15 and number 28. Today time bonus ball number repeat number 15 and number 28. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.